Very good morning to all of you, all the students of 4th standard. We are learning the histories lesson, that is lesson number 6. We are learning lesson number 6, the oath of Swaraj. This one is going on, the oath of Swaraj, 6th lesson of our history, page number 23. If we have the textbook, then page number 23 of the same lesson, the oath of Swaraj. So yesterday we have studied about the preparation in the Mawar Valley, how the Shivaji Maharaj started his preparations, how he inspected each and every nook and corner of the Sahyadri mountain ranges. Along with that, how he minutely detailed survey, observes that hills, valleys, ghats, secret paths, hiding places, best route to precipice, caves, and also along that he studied about the using the equipments, war equipments, swordsmanship, horse riding. All these skills he learned. Along with that, he observed that a minute observation of each and every forts from the Sahyadri mountain ranges. Along with that, important forts, soldiers on that fort, every detailed informations he start to receive, he start to get through his friends, companion, Mavadas. They were ready to do anything for the Shivaji. They think that Shivaji is their ideal ruler. So people, they felt the new, they began to see the new dream, ideal, as their Shivaji Maharaj is their ideal. Oneness feelings started among them. They start to understand the ammunitions there. Where is the store of ammunition, that one who sells the ammunition there. Every information Shivaji Maharaj start to get. Next point, that is friends in the Mawal region now. All over the 12 Mavadas, where there were Deshmukh guarding their individual watans. 12 Mavadas there were Deshmukh, the guarding individual watan, that is gifted land in the lieu of the services to work. Aurangzeb, Mughals or the Adil Shah there. In return of that, they got the watan to govern, to look after that. There were constant quarrels between them. Quarrel was there between them. All the Vatandas, they were quarreling. So whatever the land they got, they attached more than anything else. That they attached with the land. They were fascinated with the land. Anything than else, that the land was more for them. They like it. Anything they don't like it, but they like the land more. So for that they were fighting, quarreling because of the land. They leading to uses waste of money and the manpower. So in that quarreling, what they did, that they waste their money, they waste their manpowers, everything that. Okay, I think today we'll stop here. Only some of the problem is there in office. I have to go. Thank you, beta. Bye.